We are going to unbox an Amazon Basics product that is useful for sport and self-massage. This is the Amazon Basics foam roller for myofascial self-massage. With this tool you can massage specific regions of the body. It can be used on the floor or on the table or pushed against the wall. The foam roller has a 20% lower hardness compared to standard rollers from other manufacturers, which makes it ideal for beginners and a gentle use in therapy. With some exercises, this product can help you to increase the elasticity and performance of muscles. The price is around 30% lower compared to other foam roller brands on the market. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.